comma. A comma is used to give short pause between the two phrases or parts in completing the sentence. Paris, the capital of France, is a big city. Mike, brother of Mickey, is my nephew. A comma is used to join two or more words in the sentence, such as Mike, Mary and Tom are fast friends. Lion, elephant and tiger live in the forest. A comma is used to separate a noun from the remaining sentence as Sam, get me the book from the locker. Jenny, buy some clothes for me. A comma is used to separate the date from the year as Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2, 1889. A comma is used to explain the noun in a sentence as Computer, the electronic machine, is used for storing data and information. New York, the state of America, is famous for historical monuments. A comma is used to separate some words such as sir, madam, yes, no, thank you from the remaining part of a sentence. Yes, I have won the race. Sir, kindly grant me short leave.